When it comes to the PMP exam, a big challenge isn't just the questions themselves, but the time you have to complete them. The exam has 180 questions and you get 230 minutes. That sounds like a lot, but for many people, the clock runs faster than they expect. The exam isn't just testing your knowledge, it's also testing your ability to work under time pressure. Think of it like managing a project schedule. You need a plan to keep everything on track. The exam is divided into 3 parts with 2 scheduled breaks. You get a 10-minute break after the first 60 questions and another 10-minute break after the next 60 questions. Your goal should be to complete each set of 60 questions in about 75 minutes. This leaves you some extra time in case you run into a tough question. With this structure in mind, let's talk about how to approach the questions themselves. A smart strategy is to secure the easy marks first. We call these your quick wins. These are questions on definitions, straightforward formulas like earned value management, EVM, or direct process questions. By answering these first, you save time and build your confidence. For the more difficult questions, you shouldn't spend more than 90 seconds on any single one. If you feel stuck, just mark the question for review and move on. Remember, all questions carry the same weight, so it's better to answer 5 easier questions than to get stuck on one difficult one. The PMP exam has what we call time traps. These are questions designed to slow you down, like a very wordy scenario or a tricky formula. To avoid these, try this simple trick. Always read the last line of the question first. This helps you immediately understand what the question is asking for, such as, what should the project manager do next? Another great technique is to practice the art of elimination. By removing the 2 obviously wrong choices, you can narrow your options and make a more confident decision. Don't waste time second-guessing yourself or double-checking every answer. In the exam, overthinking delays completion. Effective time management doesn't begin on exam day. It starts with your preparation. You must practice with timed mock exams to train your brain to manage the pace. Make sure you practice the full 230-minute exam to get used to the length and pressure. The 2 scheduled breaks are also a strategic part of your plan. Use them wisely. Step away from the computer, drink some water, and stretch. Don't use the break to worry about questions you've already answered, because you can't go back and change them. Think of these breaks as risk management for fatigue to help you avoid making careless mistakes later on. To sum it all up, remember these key points. Stick to your plan of 75 minutes per 60 question block. Don't spend more than 90 seconds on one question. Mark tough questions for review and return to them later. Use your breaks to refresh and stay calm. Most importantly, maintain a steady pace. The PMP exam is a marathon, not a sprint.